Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD CAD, US dollar, Canadian dollar for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, GBP, JPY, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the USD CAD chart, 4 hours chart in front of us right now, and as we all know, there is a huge rally. There was a huge rally on USD CAD, and if you look at the chart here, then the chart is extremely beautiful and simple, because we all know it very well that trading on a trending market is always easier in comparison to sideways market or a choppy market. And as you can clearly see on the chart that this market is in uptrend, therefore we should mainly look for buying opportunities, because see, in a market condition like this, if you're planning to short the market, then that's a huge risk, because you are going against the trend of the market. Against the trend means if there are 100 traders in the market, then 90 are on the buying side and only 10 are on the selling side. And if you short the market in a condition like this, in a scenario like this, it means that you are taking a side of the 10 traders instead of 90 traders, which is quite risky. Therefore, in a market condition like this, we should only follow the trend of the market. It means that we should mainly look for buying opportunities. Clear? But to find out the market, the best buying opportunities or the safe buying opportunities, the picture gets a little bit complicated. So we need to understand few things here. So stay tuned, do not get impatient, and try to understand everything, because it will help you a lot. So let's get started. So first of all, if you look at the chart of USD CAD here, then you can undoubtedly uptrend, and you can see that apart from this uptrend market, we also have a trend line. Okay, trend line which is acting as a support for the market. I have talked about this trend line in my previous videos as well, so if you have watched my other videos, then you can easily recognize this line. But right now you can see that market is trading far away. The current market price is far away from this trend line. Therefore this trend line is no longer required, at least for Monday. Okay, because for Monday we do not need this level. But right now, if you look at the present condition of the market here, then market is trying to come down. So what should we do right here in a market condition like this? What do you think we should do here? So for that, if you look at the Forex sentiment meter also, this is the Forex sentiment meter. You can see that in a market condition like this, 85% retail traders have taken short position and only 14% retail traders have taken long position. And this is the main reason, my dear friends, this is the main reason why 90% retail traders lose money. In a market condition like this, where market is extremely bullish, they have short the market, and that's why retail traders lose money. And that's why I always request you all guys to trade wisely, trade properly with your own analysis. Okay, so to understand the chart of USD CAD, okay, from this point onwards things will get complicated, so try to understand my words. So to understand the chart of USD CAD, we need to understand the chart of DXY, US dollar. Because if you do not have any idea about US dollar, then you must understand that if dollar goes up, then USD CAD, USD CHF also goes up generally. And if dollar goes down, then we see Euro USD, GBP USD going up. Okay. It means that they are correlated. Okay. So if dollar goes up, then we see USD CAD also going up. And if you look at the chart of US dollar here, then you can see that dollar is also extremely bullish here. Okay, dollar is also extremely bullish here. So you can see that dollar for the DXY chart, for the US dollar chart, I have drawn a black line here, and this black line was a resistance which may act as a support for the market, 93.40. And apart from this black line, we also have a trend line which may or may not act as support for the market. Okay, I'm using the word may or may not because still we do not have the confirmation yet, because in a market condition like this, when we see market is extremely volatile, we cannot give the confirmation that yes, market will be taking support. Okay, we can just hope that market will be taking support. So you can see the market is almost trading near the support level. Okay, so on Monday, if market takes support on this trend line or at this 93.40 line, black line here, and bounces, then USD CAD will be going up again. And in that case, you can easily place a buy order, because in the chart of USD CAD you may not have any proper pattern or proper confirmation, but US dollar, okay, the chart of DXY is giving you the confirmation that, my dear friend, you can easily go for buy order because I have my support. Okay, because USD CAD, the US dollar will be bouncing from the support. Okay, if bounces from the support, easily you can go for buy on the USD CAD as well. That is your first trading opportunity. And your second trading opportunity is, you'll have to draw a Fibonacci pattern here. Generally, I do not draw Fibonacci retracement and all, but here we do not have any other option because the current market price is far away from this support and this level. Therefore, we do not have any other option. So this is the 23.6 level, and if you find, listen to me carefully, if you find market bouncing from this particular level, from this Fibonacci retracement level, you can also draw Fibonacci retracement on the charting platform. So if you also find market retracing or bouncing from this 23.6 level on Fibonacci, then also you can go for buy order. Just do not forget to check the DXY chart once. If you find that DXY chart is also taking support at the trend line or at the 93.40 level, then it's a very sweet thing. Okay, if the two things correlate, or if the two things just merge together, DXY is also taking support, USD CAD is also taking support at this particular level, then also you can go for buy order. But at any cost, my dear friend, do not short the market. It will be a huge risk. You may get trapped and you may end up losing your hard-earned money, because this is what has happened to the retail traders. 85% have short the market and they are in huge loss right now. And one more thing, recently I have also launched a Pro Trader membership program where you can be a part of my regular analysis for just $15 per month, where I'll be sharing the best trading opportunities with you. If you are interested, then just go through the information, and if you're interested, just click on the subscribe button. So you have understood what are the opportunities. So first trading opportunity is, if DXY US dollar chart bounces from the support, you can go for a buy. And in the chart of USD CAD, if you find market taking support at the 23.6 level and bouncing, and if DXY is also taking support at the black line, yeah, at the trend line, then also you can go for a buy. Okay, these two are the opportunities, at least for me right now. Okay, if you think that I am wrong, then please share it in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. Okay, and if we go to the weekly chart of USD CAD here, then you can see that weekly chart is also giving us the indication that yes, market is bullish right now. So nothing serious from the weekly chart as of now. So let's see how the market rolls on Monday. Dollar is extremely bullish. Let's see. So thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you on Monday again. Bye bye.